it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and we are down to 2 of the envelopes. You might be asking yourself, where is the third? I started opening it, and then I realized it was an extra tray that I purchased from Archer's Arts. Beautiful color. It's the one that Rebecca sent me as well, but I loved the color so much that I purchased a second one. The drills show up really well in this color. So I got another one after Rebecca gifted me hers because it was fabulous. So this was from Color of the Month. Right now, Jennifer over on Archer's Arts doesn't do Color of the Month. She is thinking about bringing it back, but she does have some great brand new colors, so go check her out. I'll put the link down below. All right, so here are 2 of the envelopes. Let's see, which one should I open? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch the tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. All right, we're going to open this one. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's from Shine Like a Diamond. She is amazing. She goes and looks for Coverminders of excellence. Makes them. Now, what is a color minder? Coverminder. A coverminder is if you notice your diamond painting and you notice your diamond painting and that silly cover continues to keep flopping, then you can take a coverminder. Let me grab, one moment, my big kahuna. So this is my Treasure Studios art, and it has a clear cover. Sorry, shaky, I hit the desk. All right, so when you're working with the cover, sometimes it flops back and forth. And so if you have a Coverminder, which is borrowed from the stitching community as from a needle minder, you get something you love so you can stare at it and look at it, and then there's a magnet on the back, and then it comes with the second magnet. So you put this first part, the pretty part, on top, and then you put the other magnet on the back, and then it holds your cover back so that you can work. Now what I like to do as well is, so this isn't flopping in the breeze because there's no sticky because I put the drills, is I take one of these heavy duty cover minders, which Shine has many of, and I actually put my minder here, and so then this cover stays down and I'm good to go. So that's what a cover minder is, and it was originated from the needle minders that they use over in the stitching community, and where you could put your needle on it while you were stitching, and that way you didn't have to lose it or didn't have to tuck it in. Okay, so on with the show. Look at this. Oh my goodness, I purchased so many, guys, and the reason I did is she was showing them, and Shine, I cannot come into your Saturday lives. When you show those minders, it is good business because I go straight over to Etsy and I purchase them. Oh, this is so beautiful, Shine. Thank you. So these actually can hold your cover minders because it's metal, and because it's the cover minders are magnets. This is a great way to hold your cover minder. So I am going to be doing a tutorial on how to change your Altoids, because Altoids come in these, how to paint it and how to decorate it so that you can make your own one of these. But anything that's metal you can use to house your cover minders. I found some pencil holders at Dollar Tree that were metal, and they're long, and so they hold my cover minders at times when I'm traveling. So this is great. All right, speed forward. I know that's not what you... Okay, so she told me, she's like, Jen, you don't have to buy all 5 of them. You can get away with buying, or 6 of them. You can get away with buying 5 of them. And I was like, heck no, I need the whole stinking collection. These are adorable. And Shine makes these 10s, and she's inside, she puts the scrapbook paper. It's so beautiful. And look at that sparkle in there. Okay. So now that I've showed you a sneak peek of these Coverminders, let's get up close. I'm going to use this sheet of paper so you guys can see them. Aren't these adorable? These are little goldfish, and I love the beauty of them. This one is that aqua color, and then you have an aqua and copper, which, amazing! And then I love this green and orange one. You know what? I'm going to keep these in the tin and then just move the camera. Like, why didn't I think of that? I don't know. Okay. So here you go. So you've got this one I showed you, this one I showed you, and then this yellow one. How adorable! And then this one is like an ombre, and then you've got, I love this one. I'm really getting into that wine color, and then you've got that orangish yellow, not orange, gold. And then I love green, so green and orange. I just thought this was such a cute collection. So what I'm doing, I like to use these to help me feel good when I'm diamond painting. And so I have like a sea turtle. I can use this. I have just some ocean scenes I can use. And so I like to match my Coverminders with kind of my mood. Like right now, as you saw on my TARDIS from Doctor Who, it's my fandom, I have a puppy dog one. And it's just because I love puppy dogs. It doesn't match, but it helps. It's amazing. So you can match it to your mood. You can match it to what you're looking, like what you're doing. And I just, yeah. So check out Shine Shop. I'm going to put it down below. She has, you know, and she also does, tries to help out with customs. So if there's something you're looking for, so I asked her about Doctor Who, a TARDIS one. So right now she's looking for options for me. Check it out. I mean, that puppy dog one was from her. Let's see, what else do I have? These I unboxed. These are from her as well. She does do bigger ones. I just really gravitate on hers. The smaller ones. I don't know why. They're just so stinking cute. Anything small is cute, right? So thank you so much, Shine. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to see more unboxings or come chit chat with me on a Friday night, hit subscribe and the notification bell. Until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.